Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes out of pancake mix. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners. Whisk 1 cup pancake mix with 1 egg, 1/3 cup milk, and 2 tablespoon melted butter until smooth. Fold in 1 tsp vanilla or a handful of chocolate chips if you like. Spoon batter 2/3 full and bake for 12 to 16 minutes until set. I explain simple flavor swaps that use pantry staples you likely already have. Try 1 tsp vanilla and 2 tablespoon cocoa powder for chocolate, or fold in 1/2 cup berries for a fruity twist. For a crunchy finish, sprinkle cinnamon sugar or 1 tablespoon brown sugar on top before baking. You can also mix in 1/4 cup nuts or 1/4 cup shredded coconut for texture and extra flavor that keeps each bite interesting. I help you finish cupcakes like a pro without fuss. Whip 1 cup powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons softened butter and 1 to 2 tablespoon milk until smooth for a quick frosting. Let cupcakes cool fully before piping or spreading to keep shapes intact. Add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a dusting of cocoa for contrast. Serve at room temperature and store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.